Hello everyone! Welcome to Miki Labo! I'm Miki and...
I'm アナひこ。
Hi! So have you ever made your own robot?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever made any. Have you?
Yes, I have. But are you robot?
Oh, that is no comment, ne?
So today I will show you how to make very cute robots.
Are you trying to replace me? I don't like that.
Thinking about that.
So what kind of robot is this? Is this like a Honda Asimo? Or...
More cute and easy to make.
So it's something you can buy in the supermarket?
Yes. Or net shopping.
Net shopping, okay.
Okay, so let's
Science!
Battery pack, DC motor, eraser, and cup.
Cut the bottom. Like this. Okay. Insert both wires. First, red. And black. Next step is a little bit difficult. Connect wires of motor and battery pack. Put batteries. Switch on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, motor is moving. Stop. Tape motor and battery case to cup. Insert the eraser to the motor. What happened? What happened? Yeah, like this. paint the cup. Okay? Eyes and mouth. Mouth? Okay. Okay, only eyes. It's cute, isn't it? Let's start the robot. 3, 2, 1. Stop. It's so cute. How was it, Anahiko?
Oh, it looked pretty good.
I think it's easy to make and the movement is cute.
But I can move as well, you know.
Can you move like this? Like robot? Hi.
What? I am thinking you are a robot instead of a human. No? So I think we should, I think kids can make this at home, no?
Yes.
Mhm.
You can make it at home. So please try to make it and try to put name on it.
What was the name of your robot?
Ah, 何がいいかな?
Android Mickey?
Yeah, it's good. Mickey Android. Jackie.
Okay, see you next time, eh?
See you.
この動画がためになったというお友達はグッドボタンとチャンネル登録をお願いします。
お願いします。あと先生に質問ややってほしい実験があったらぜひコメント欄にも書いてね。
お待ちしてます。
Like this robot. Like robot?